What's up, what's up, what's up? So the hair that I will be using in today's video is from China Lace Wig. This is their Brazilian straight hair, which is pretty much your standard lace front wig. Comes with about 4 inches of parting space, 4 combs, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb on the temple, and 1 comb in the back. It also comes with adjustable straps to make sure the wig is secured and snug. So the first thing I'm going to do for this look is pluck the hairline. Now the back of the hairline is really what I'm focusing in on because it's just way too thick. So the look that I'm going for is like a sleek ponytail look. So in order to achieve the natural hairline look, it's so important to make sure the hairline is thinned out just a little bit so it gives off a natural look. So I'm just going to continue to do that until I get the hairline that I'm going for. So this is pretty much how I want my hairline to be. Don't really want it to be thin, but just a nice natural look. So this is what it looks like before. And when you're doing a sleek ponytail, you definitely want to go for a natural looking hairline. So I'm going to secure the unit down. I do have a tutorial showing how I do this using the Got2b glue gel, and then I also tinted my lace using the Sally Hansen leg makeup. I have a tutorial on that as well that I will leave below. Best thing since sliced bread, like literally. So I'm using a hot comb that I got from Target. You guys have seen this product time and time again before. This is key to getting a sleek frontal, is pressing out that hairline to make sure it's smooth. So the only thing I'm doing here is just cutting the lace as close as possible to the hairline. Another thing I like to do is place a head scarf on my head to just secure the wig down even more. I usually let the scarf sit on the hairline for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how many layers of gel I apply to my wig. So I am going to be using a wax stick. This helps with the more sleek, shiny look, and it also tames any sort of flyaways. Of course, when you are using this product, I like to go in with some sort of heat. You don't have to, but I really think you should because it just kind of takes away from that greasy look that a wax stick can give. So now I am just about to put my hair in a ponytail. Now this unit is not secured down in the back, so I can't go too high up with the ponytail. So as you can see, the hairline looks really good. I'm not going to do any baby hairs or anything like that. I just want a simple, quick look that just doesn't take a lot of time. So while I am doing this, I am making sure that I'm not pulling too tight, only because I did not use like any real hair glue. I just used the Got2b glue gel, and that only lasts for a couple of days max. So you don't want to pull too tight because then the frontal will start to come up. So this is pretty much what it looks like. Now I am going to move on to securing the back. I'm going to be using some bobby pins, and this is pretty much what it looks like if I do nothing to the back, but I'm not going to go out the house like this. So I'm going to use some bobby pins, and I'm just going to pull the back of the wig down a little bit and tuck those bobby pins in. You're really not going to be able to see the bobby pins once the ponytail is done. I do have another video where I show how to do this same look if you decided to wear a bun. So this is pretty much how the back of the ponytail looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now you know how to put your wig in a sleek, nice ponytail. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you comment and subscribe, and also share this video if you love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.